Hey, DIY mechanics out there, welcome to All Auto Parts Group, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Today, I'm diving into the world of Buick transmissions. If you've got a Buick, you know they're reliable beasts, but even the best have their off days, especially when it comes to the transmission. Let's break down the common issues and how you can fix them yourself, keeping that ride smooth and responsive. Let's get those gears turning. First up, transmission slipping. You know the drill. You're driving, and suddenly it feels like your car just doesn't catch the right gear. The engine revs, but your Buick isn't accelerating like it should. This can be due to low transmission fluid, worn-out clutch plates, or faulty transmission bands. What's the fix? Start simple, check your transmission fluid. Make sure it's topped up and fresh. Next, it might be time to get those clutch plates and transmission bands checked. Sometimes a little adjustment or replacement is all you need. Moving on to leaks. Another headache. If you spot red or brown fluid under your car, that's your transmission fluid saying goodbye. Causes could be anything from worn-out seals or gaskets to a busted transmission pan. The fix? Replace those seals and gaskets, check the pan for any damage, and ensure all fluid lines are tight and intact. No more messy spots on your driveway. Harsh or delayed shifting can feel like your car is arguing with you every time you change gears. It's often due to dirty or low transmission fluid, faulty solenoids, or issues with the transmission control module. Keeping that fluid clean and at the right level is crucial. Also, have those solenoids in the transmission control module checked out. A little professional tweaking or replacement might be required here. Remember folks, regular maintenance is your best friend. Change that transmission fluid regularly, drive gently, and get your transmission checked during routine inspections. This can save you a lot of grief and money down the line. But hey, if things seem out of hand, don't hesitate to call in the pros. Some issues are just not a DIY job. That's it for today. Keep your Buick running like a dream with these tips. Hit that subscribe button for more fixes and tips, and keep those tools ready. Happy fixing! Until next time, keep your engines purring and your gears smooth. Do like and follow All Auto Parts Group channel for more informative tips for your car needs.